Hello everyone. So the mixture has dried up, as you can see. Looks like I don't know. It should be white, that's the problem. So I'm gonna take a sample of it and mix it with some water and see how it reacts, and I'll record the entire thing on video. Now, when I was looking at it very closely, it appeared to be like a weird, like hard paint. So I'll have to do some even more research into the topic to find out what it actually is. And that video shall come tomorrow. Sadly, it's past 9, and I want to go to bed. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.